Hey crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. I am now on part 3 of my birthday mail from my bestie Armin, who is Happy Mail Queen here on YouTube. Girl, you have outdone yourself. I mean, I am not surprised because I know you so well and I am truly grateful to call you my bestie. This is still going, so if you didn't watch part 1 or part 2, definitely check them out because this girl is absolutely amazing. This looks like a handmade banner and it looks absolutely awesome. So let me open this up. Oh my goodness. And she's got everything taped down. Okay, and I'm sorry for the crinkling, you guys. I'm trying not to make too much noise. Okay, I'm trying to carefully take this out, but this banner looks amazing. Look how pretty this is. Oh, Armin, it's like made out of canvas. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, she did all this sewing and there's sequins. Look at her little cute bow. Oh, look at the sequins. That is so pretty. And then she's got all this fabulous tulle. And I love the way you use this. So now I have an idea on how to use this ribbon because I think I bought a bunch of it from Tara one year and I need to pull that out. But I love how you added the pearls. This is gorgeous. She's got it sewn in 2 sections. So she's got sequins on this little section that says party, and then she's got a whole nother section with sequins. Oh, is it 3 times? Wow, girl. This is amazing. This is beautiful. So I need to just display this every year on my birthday. Now this is the second banner. This is so pretty. I love the tulle up top. She's got brads up here with the string. And then again, she's got the tulle with the sequins. This is just, it moves around. This is so pretty. It's magic. The second I put it on, it becomes a party dress. Look at the little dress right here. She's got dimensional sticker and a pretty blingy bow. Girl, this is gorgeous. Wow, look at the little hanger, all the little details. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. I think we can just use this for everybody's birthday, for mine and Sydney's anyway. This is so pretty, and she's even got candles in the bottom. This is amazing, girl. Love, 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 love it. This is so pretty. I cannot believe you did all this. Made with love, and this paper is just so cute. It's just gorgeous. I can't stop looking at it because it's so pretty. And here's the next one. Again, another pretty blingy bow. I love how you used your tulle. She's even got pearls in here. I love it. Look at the little baking spoon. Oh, this is so sweet. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at all the detail. This is amazing, girl. Oh my gosh. And then look at this one. It says, happy birthday to you. It's got that cute image of the girl. And look at her dimensional stickers. Look at the little party blower. And then again, those flowers with the pearls. This is so pretty. Look at that. Another blingy bow, and all that sequence just makes this banner everything. The tulle sequence, yes. I need to do this more. And I just got my sewing machine, so I have been really busy with craft fair stuff, but I'm definitely planning on trying this. And I love that you have this felt banner. I've never seen that before. Gorgeous. Love it. Thank you so much, Armin. I need to hang this up somewhere. I need to hang it up just because it's amazing. So thank you so much for that. I know that took you a lot of time to put together. That is absolutely amazing. And there is one more gift, you guys. The gift just keep going. Thank you so much, Armin. This is so, so sweet. There's my traveler's notebook. I'm just gonna move that off to the side so that I can open up the last gift. Let me just zoom in. This is so amazing. Thank you so much, Armin. Okay. And I love all this tulle and this super cute wrapping paper, the swans. It's so pretty. What did you send? If you hadn't sent enough already, what is this? Oh my gosh, girl, what did you send me? Oh my goodness. Wow, you did way too much, girl. Did you send me an apron? Oh my gosh, wait, let me look. Oh my, oh, it's a dress. Oh my gosh, Armin. You guys, she actually sent me this really cute, it's a really cute sundress. And I'm sorry for the glare. I'm gonna try to zoom out. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a really cute sundress, and it comes with a satin ribbon bow. It's gonna be really hard for me to show you on camera, but look at, that's the back, and it has a zipper, and this is so adorable. And girl, you know I'm going to wear this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Armin, thank you so much. Oh, I wish I could give you a really big hug right now. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for everything. You guys, definitely show Armin some love. Go check out her YouTube channel. She's also on Instagram, so I'll link her Instagram feed as well. This girl is absolutely amazing, and I love her to death. And Armin, thank you from the bottom of my heart. This was amazing birthday mail, and I mean, seriously, this banner is just absolutely over the top amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is just, you always make me cry, but thank you so much, and thank you for always being so sweet to me. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.